Students, today we will start the unit number 2, that is genetics and evolution. This unit involves 3 chapters. First chapter is principle of inheritance and variation. In this chapter we will study about different laws of Mendel, then different types of disorders, genetic disorder, chromosomal disorder, then sex determination, linkage, recombination, all these things we will discuss in this chapter. Father of genetics is known as Gregor J. Mendel, and his work was, he had the experiment he had done on the plant Pisum sativum, and the experimental father of genetics is known is T.H. Morgan, and his experimental material was Drosophila melanogaster. In genetics we will discuss main 2 terms. First term is heredity. Heredity means transmission of character from one generation to other, and how these characters are transmitted and what will be the effect of those genes as phenotype as well as genotype. Whether any type of error in the copying of DNA, all will study in this chapter. Now, variation. Although the transmission of characters occurs through the genes, but still there are some difference occurs even in the offsprings, even in the siblings, and that is known as variation. And the basis of this variation is recombination, which occurs during the meiosis of the cell division. As we all know that Johann Johannes Mendel is known as father of genetics, and he has done his experiment for his work was on the pea plant, that is Pisum sativum, and he has taken 7 pair of characters for his experiment, that is color of the flower, the color of the pod, size of the pod, shape of the pod, then height of the stem. In this way, that will discuss through the table and diagram. And out of these experiments, he had concluded and given 3 laws of inheritance, and that is here written as law of dominance, first law, second law, law of segregation, third law, law of independent assortment. And he has taken inheritance of one gene, that is all the genes having a pair of entities, that is known as alleles, which are responsible for carrying the characters, transmission of character from one generation to other. If the gene has same type of allele, having same type of character, then such type of allele or the gene is known as homozygous gene. And if both the alleles are in contrast in their character, suppose one is responsible for tallness of the plant and other is for the dwarfness, then it is known as the heterozygous type of gene. So he had done experiment of various types. First is the inheritance of one gene, that at a time he has considered only one pair of character, and that we have discussed through monohybrid cross. In monohybrid cross we have discussed that how one pair of character is transmitting from one generation to other, and what is the effect of that gene in the first filial generation as well as second filial generation. And the inheritance of 2 gene or 2 pair of alleles is known as dihybrid cross, and whatever the results come out, the ratio come out, here it is known as monohybrid ratio, and here hybrid cross, the result is known as dihybrid ratio. Now we will discuss all these 3 laws. First of all, we will start with what is the basis of how his work was completed. He has taken 4 things in his account. First is the investigation, and he has applied, first of all, the statistical analysis, whatever the data he has taken, and he has applied the statistical analysis for explaining the result. Second was, he has applied the mathematical logic for explaining the biological work, and that was not aware or not common for that time for other scientists who had not given much attention to him. Now he has used the symbols, the alleles as well as the genes are shown by the use of symbols, that will again discuss through these laws. And because that time no such type of advanced type of microscopes are available, so he couldn't given any physical proof of chromosome, allele, etc. So all these things was not given much support to his hypothesis, his result, and that time it was not accepted, and that's why He was died in very frustrated condition, and again in 1900 his theories was again repostulated by other scientists, and then it was published. Now we'll discuss.
In this figure we can see the 7 pair of characters which Mendel uses in his experiment. 7 pair of character with dominant and recessive trait, that is flower color having 2 types, that is purple is dominant over white, flower position, axial position of flower is dominant over terminal, then color of the seed, that is yellow is dominating green color, shape, that is round shape of the seed is dominating wrinkled, then pod shape, inflated shape of this pod is dominating over the constricted one, then pod color, green pod color is dominating yellow pod color, and the length of the stem, tallness character is dominant over the dwarfness character. And in the first filial generation he got all the offsprings were having dominant character, that means dominant trait allele hides the character of the recessive allele. But in F2 generation about 3:1 ratio he